Hey folks, it's Jim Jones here, Small Town Jones. Just day one of being homeschooling dad. Kids are upstairs, and the wonderful people from the Beaford Arts have asked me to send a song to you guys that might be helpful or uplifting, or just a song that might be an encouragement. And I've written this song called Safe in Sound, which is about I guess kind of escaping all this sort of stuff that we have to deal with in life in music, and that's kind of what it's about. And I guess many of us will be doing that over this time while we're self-isolating or keeping away from it all. So yeah, this is called Safe and Sound. I hope you enjoy it. No one for remembering names, do it a lot. As soon as you said, I quickly forgot. But when she turned the radio on, I know what I heard. I remember it all. She sang out the words, trying to find me someplace I can heal, away from it all. Plug me into something I can feel, 'cause then I know I'm safe and sound. It's all that I need. Everything will calm down to a single heartbeat. Safe and sound, wave after wave, everything will come down. Beautiful sound that we make. When everything is falling apart, nothing seems clear, I turn it on up and it all disappears. When everyone is on my back and I can't seem to find a clear place in my soul and a peace in my mind, try and find me someplace I can heal, away from it all. Plug me into something I can feel, 'cause then I know I'm safe and sound. It's all that I need. Everything will come down to a single heartbeat. Safe and sound, wave after wave, everything will come down to the beautiful sound that we make. Now I'm for remembering names, do it a lot. As soon as you said, I quickly forgot. Wave after wave, 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 wave after grave. Oh, nice one, guys. Going in on my you crazies. Thanks, everyone. Just this is my kids, by the way, jumping in on the end of the song. Thank you so much, and have a safe. I don't know. Just stay safe and keep loving on each other. Bye bye.